Did you wonder how to improve your hair washing routine? Well, this definitely will get you a healthier and shinier hair, so pay attention to the following basic rules. At the end of this video we have some of the most frequent questions answered for you, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more info like this. And also, hit the bell icon to be notified. Wet the hair. Wash your hair with warm, not hot water. Wet your hair preferably with lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water can weaken the hair roots, so stick to only warm water. Amount of shampoo. Add a dime-sized amount of shampoo to your palm. About the volume of a hazelnut should be enough for short to medium hair, but when washing long hair, adjust this amount accordingly. Shampoo application. Apply the shampoo directly to the roots, and massage into the scalp. Pay particular attention to the area at the nape of the neck, as this often gets overlooked. Once your roots are suitably covered, use the lather to gently massage the shampoo down to your hair ends. Rinsing. Completely rinse the product from your hair again, using lukewarm water. Squeeze the hair with your hands during the rinse. You'll know when you're finished when the water runs clear and the hair feels squeaky clean. Conditioning. Use a quarter-sized amount of conditioner and apply to the ends of the hair. Use your fingers to comb it through the tresses and gently work it up to the roots. Rinse the product out the same as with shampoo. Combing. Comb hair using a wide-toothed comb or simply with your fingers. Detangle out gently, never try to rip through a knot. Final rinse. Give your hair a final rinse with cool water. Washing hair in cold water feels exhilarating and stimulates the blood circulation, while simultaneously sealing the hair cuticle and leaving your strands extra smooth and shiny. Hair dry. Use a hair dryer only if you're in a rush. Leave your hair to dry by itself, or at most, place it in a turban. And now, let's have the Q&A. How often should I wash my hair? It depends on your hair, but on average, 1 or maximum 2 times a week. I work out every day, do I need to wash my hair every day? No, unless swimming is a part of your daily workout. Even if you're sweating a lot, you can more or less just rinse your hair out. What can I do to stop my hair from being frizzy? Brush your hair before you wash it, and don't apply shampoo and conditioner roughly. Don't massage the shampoo and conditioner in circles, but from side to side, and rinse with cold water to seal the cuticles. How long should I leave the conditioner on? Try to leave it for at least 3 minutes. I hope these tips will help you to improve your hair washing routine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more info like this. And also, hit the bell icon to be notified.